Your account is leaking $4,180 a month. 37 negative keywords are sitting unadded while search terms burn budget on the phone you already carry. That waste does not wait for you to open a laptop. Most media buyers catch waste at a desk. By then, the day is gone and the CPA has already moved. The phone is where you approve, where you notice, and where you currently have no agent watching spend. Buddy by Ahmeego is now on iOS and Android. Same AI advertising agent, same account context. You install it, connect the account, ask in plain English, then open the wasted spend card. That sequence is the whole job. This order matters because an unconnected app cannot see spend. Asking before install gives you nothing. Opening wasted spend before the account is linked shows a blank card. Install, connect, ask, then open the card. Skip a step and the agent is blind. Open the App Store or Google Play and search Buddy by Ahmeego. You want the agent on the device you already check overnight, not on a laptop you leave at the office. That is why install comes first. After install, open Buddy once so the session exists. A closed app cannot push a wasted spend alert. You are not configuring campaigns here. You are creating a live channel so later questions have somewhere to land on the phone. Next, connect the Google Ads account the agent will watch. Until that link exists, Buddy has no spend, no search terms, and no negatives to recommend. Connection is what turns a chat box into an account-aware agent on this phone. Grant read access first so the agent can see queries and cost. You are not handing it the keys to publish. You are letting it read the same search term report you would open at a desk, only now it travels with you. Now ask in plain English. Type, "Where is spend being wasted this month?" The agent already has the account, so it does not need a report export or a filter stack. A sentence is enough because the context is already loaded. Plain English works because the agent maps your words to the account objects. You do not write a query language. You do not name a campaign ID. You ask the way you would ask a buyer sitting next to you. Open the wasted spend card the agent returns. In this account, it shows $4,180 a month leaking, with 37 negatives still unadded. That card is the reason you installed and connected before you asked. Read the 37 negatives as a list you can act on, not a chart. Each row is a search term that spent and converted nothing. You add them from the phone because waiting until Monday lets another week of the same queries run. The wasted spend card exists so you do not hunt across campaigns. One surface, one number, one list. $4,180 is not a dashboard metric. It is a queue of 37 decisions sitting in your pocket. You now have the agent in your pocket. Install gave you the channel. Connect gave it the account. Plain English gave you the question. The wasted spend card gave you the $4,180 and the 37 negatives. Check the card once a day, not once a week. Waste compounds while you wait for a reporting meeting. The phone is already in your hand. The agent is already connected. The only new habit is opening that one card. Install Buddy, connect the account, ask in plain English, open the wasted spend card. That is how $4,180 a month and 37 negatives stop hiding. The blog is on ahmeego.com. Buddy by Ahmeego, a company of It All Started with an Idea.